Hi, I'm Camille Chenelle and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is wash day. It's been a minute, but I've got a little old rusty wash and go here. It's been about a week since the last wash, so it's definitely time to get clean. I still want to get a wash and go going because I'm just in this mood. It's getting warm, I'm feeling girly, I'm feeling great, and I just need that same kind of vibe with my hair. So today I will be giving Creme of Nature Argan Oil, just a few products a shot. First time, I've never used all these products before, so it'll be my first impression of these products. I hope I love them. Before I hop in the shower, I'm gonna get things under control with a little pre-shampoo. My favorite pre-shampoo is currently the Dr. Miracle's, so let's get started. Okay, here I am, detangled, ready to wash. So all I did to work the Dr. Miracles through my hair, braid my hair down with water and massage this through from ends to root. Combed it through with a big tooth comb. I can run my fingers through. I'm detangled and ready for the shower, so be back. So we're just washing out a little bit of that pre-shampoo. This product smells amazing. So this is the Creme of Nature Argan Oil from Morocco, sulfate-free moisture and shine shampoo. Now the directions say to add a generous amount and lather, but because of the pre-shampoo, I noticed that on my round one shampooing, I don't get a deep lather, but that does not mean that my scalp and my hair is not getting clean on this first round. This first round of shampoo with any product really helps to remove that first layer of buildup and product residue. That'll really help your second shampoo feel totally next level. And rinse. Okay, you know what time it is. It's time for round two. Going in with this delicious shampoo yet again. I'm sectioning this time to make sure that I get it in all the nooks and crannies. Round two lather is amazing. It feels good, and this Creme of Nature Argan Oil smells amazing. So I'm grabbing my little doohickey here, and I'm gonna continue to massage and make love to my scalp. And it's the round two wash away. And here's a word live. My hair feels really good, really soft. I can feel curls forming. Awesome. It definitely feels clean. It smells really good. All right, moving on to the intensive conditioning treatment. This conditioner also smells very good. Can't get it out of the bottle. All right, so I'm starting off with the conditioner at the ends of my hair. The instructions say to use a generous amount. I'm so tired of squeezing this little bit of stuff out. It's time for this cap to go. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Creme of Nature, can you guys revisit the itty bitty hole on the cap in your argan oil bottle, please? And thank you. I have evenly distributed my conditioner. It's time to put my hair up and get a plastic cap on and let your timers begin. And time's up. Hiya! You guys ready? Let's rinse. Still loving how my hair is feeling, very hydrated. Curls are definitely coming through. Continuing to show my hair some love, I'm going to apply some hydrating curl detangling leave-in conditioner. I'm going to start off at my ends and just spray and work this through my hair. I'm not going to spray it directly on my scalp. I'm going to try to keep it on my hair strands themselves. I'm going to work the product through with my hands, squish it through, make sure that my hair is well saturated in that product, and I'm going to put it up and back in the boudoir. Did I say boudoir? So because my hair is out of control, I will be giving Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic Curl Stimulator a try today, alongside something a little bit more holding, because like I said, my hair is not to be played with. I'm also gonna give this Maximum Hold Cream of Nature Argan Oil Slap a try. So I'm gonna layer these two products as I go through my hair, also in layers, and we'll see what the end result is when it dries. So you guys have seen, I prefer to part my hair from ear to ear. I do that pretty quick, just with, you know, a quick my finger. Okay, so I am all gelled up and I'm gonna go hang out and let this dry.